Greetings all. Let's step through running a simple Node project in WebStorm. I took the Lesson 3 lab, the zipped folder, unzipped it, and I copied the content into a feedback folder located inside a projects folder. So I made a copy of all the supplied materials and I pasted them into a new feedback folder. And then I edited the index.html file as directed in the lesson. So what we're stepping through now is the technical aspect of running this project in WebStorm so that we get the result that we want in WebStorm. The most important thing to do to begin with is make sure your file management is on target. And I'm double checking that I know the path. My feedback folder is located inside my projects folder that is located at the root of my C drive, so I'm ready to begin. Now in WebStorm, I'm going to open an existing project. I'm not creating a new project, I'm opening an existing provided project. So at my C drive, the root of my C drive, I'm going to find that projects folder, I'm going to open it, and I'm going to click on the feedback folder because the content inside of the feedback folder is what we want to access as we are working. And so I'm going to click OK. And I can see that my project has opened correctly. I see project, feedback, and the content that I was expecting. It's also important we have the index.html file that we've edited for this project. We have the image files, the package.json file, and the server.js file that was provided. Okay, so it should look like this. Okay, this is already open. Let me close it so you see what it's going to look like. Once we've got that established, we can click on the terminal icon. Then our terminal is going to open in exactly the place that we need. So first thing we're going to do is check our Node installation. Do that by typing node space --version. Hit enter. I see that I have version 8.11.4. So I'm ready to go. Now what I want to do is run this server.js, this little mini server. I'm going to type node space and then server.js. So we're running the server.js, the little mini server inside of this node project. So we're going to click enter, and if the little mini server is running, we're going to see that confirmation with the date and time, and then the node server started. So now if we want to run the browser from within WebStorm, I should have the index.html file selected because that's what I want to run. I'm going to right click, and now I'm going to see the option that I want, which is open in browser, and I'm going to choose Chrome. Okay, and now I see this is running, but this is not correct because I don't want localhost 6342. That's something that's running in WebStorm. That is not what you want. You need to delete this information and you need to change it to 5000. And now you're going to hit enter. You need to make sure that this says localhost 5000. I'm going to guess that that's a pretty common mistake. Now we're going to click the cute little microphone icon and I'm going to say a few words. Testing 1 2 3, testing, testing, testing 1 2 3, testing. Turn off the microphone and I see that my send feedback button appeared just as it should, and I'm going to click the send feedback button. Now watch carefully in the terminal right below where it confirmed that it was running, and we should see some feedback appear right there. That's what we're looking for. I'm going to click send feedback, and voila, receive some customer feedback, and inside brackets testing 1 2 3, testing, testing 1 2 3, testing. That's exactly what we wanted. We wanted then the feedback page to appear, the thanks for your feedback page that you were dynamically creating to appear upon successful completion of that task. Now you have run this little mini project from inside of WebStorm. And when you're all finished, it's a good idea and a best practice to turn off your little mini server inside of the terminal, clicking Control and C, and then you'll see the notation that the node server stopped. Congratulations! You have successfully completed running this mini Node.js project in WebStorm.